Here's some things Androids can do that iPhones can't do. This is kind of insane. First off is fold. Duh. But let's look at the quality of my fold after 3 years of usage. It doesn't fold flat anymore. Then we have a little dot. I call him Steve. We'll say the under display camera still works perfectly fine, but there's that little weird looking thing on it. What is that? Number 2 is the usage of having 2 screens on a folding phone. So if I want to take a selfie with the main camera and be able to look at myself, I can. But obviously you can't do that on an iPhone. iPhones have become a lot more Android-like, so it's harder to make comparisons like these than it was like even a year ago. But another thing that Androids have that iPhones don't have is the ability to change Messenger. Like for instance, on a Samsung phone, I highly recommend using Google Messages because it's just better. Well, it's better if you're texting someone with Google Messages because it's like an iPhone. You could see what if they read, whatever. You can FaceTime them, you get. So I switched from the Samsung Messages to the Google Messages on my Samsung. But on an iPhone, you're stuck with iMessages, which, I mean, no one's gonna switch anyway. Unless WhatsApp counts, but I'm not counting WhatsApp. We're not in Europe, mate. Number 3 is the ability to close all tabs, which Apple still hasn't added yet for some reason. The number 4 is a feature Apple is actually going to add next year, but they don't have it yet, so I can still say it. The ability to tell you when your phone's going to be fully charged. As you see, it says 1 minute until full, so Apple is actually going to add this feature. Thank God.